Hey everyone and welcome! Today we're diving into the Lavande Hotel in Beijing, near the Olympic Village. Before you book your stay, check out these 10 important things to know, and remember to use the link or QR code in the description for the best deals. The hotel is located in Beijing, near the Olympic Village. It's close to landmarks like the National Speed Skating Oval and several subway stations, making it a good base for exploring the city. The provided data does not give specific details about room sizes, types, or noise levels. So, you might want to look at recent guest reviews concerning these before booking. The hotel has a good review score of 9.0 for value for money and provides free Wi-Fi and parking. The price/value ratio seems to be pretty good, according to the reviews. Breakfast is available at the hotel, according to the listed amenities. Be sure to check the guest reviews to see if the breakfast has a good selection and value. You can use the Yangtazhuang subway station, 2.1 kilometers, or Linquikio subway station, 2.1 kilometers. The hotel offers free parking if you're driving. Public transport looks very accessible. The hotel has 24-hour check-in and provides express check-in and check-out services. This means flexibility and convenience. The hotel is suitable for various guest profiles because it is a clean hotel with a high review score. This hotel welcomes all kinds of travelers who want to explore Beijing. The main pros include free Wi-Fi, the central location close to public transport, and the high review score for value and service. The provided data does not specify any cons. However, always review recent guest reviews to see any shortcomings. The hotel focuses on cleanliness, so you can expect a very clean environment. There's a shared lounge/TV area for relaxing, and amenities include room service and laundry service. So, there you have it, 10 things to know before booking at the Lavande Hotel Beijing. Overall, it looks like a great option for exploring Beijing. Remember to book using the link or QR code in the description below for the best rates and a hassle-free experience.